Hi, for today's teardown, aircraft instrument with the what seems to be the aircraft registration number written on it. Looks like a US aircraft registration number, so maybe someone will find information about this. It is a CDI indicator. What does CDI stand for? It stands for Course Deviation Indicator, made by Executive Instruments Incorporated in Edison, Texas. Part number here, serial number is 134, it seems. So we have a big plug. On the front we have what seems to be 3 lights. We have on-off flag. And we have 2 needles. This top one is missing the bright yellow sleeve around it. It seems it did fall or something like this. It is quite a shame. The front piece is made of quite thick aluminium indeed. And we have a cover, we have screws in here. So I will open it and I hope we will find beautiful electronics inside, because sometimes you can have disappointments with aircraft instruments. Sometimes they are quite empty, in fact. Here I did just notice I am missing a screw. I will try to find one in my stock. So, are you ready? Will it be interesting or not? The cover will just lift off like this, and nothing, almost nothing. Yes, quite a shame. We just have wires glued to the bottom of the case here. Pretty thick back piece, keeping the connector in place. Power resistor glued on it with some kind of silicone glue. Galvanometer, in fact, there is only one galvanometer for the needle, so the bottom thing is steady. It is just indicating the middle position, it seems. And only the top one will move like this. What else? Here we have a little flag indicator between off, to, and from. So it is 3 positions, 1. Probably, depending on the polarity of the current you apply to it, it will go in one direction or another one. We have 3 lights here, what seems to be for the backlight of the thing, and 3 lights here for the status lights at the bottom. No clue what they are about. On the middle one, the little light diffuser is a little bit pushed inside. As you can see, we have 4 Allen screws. Probably allowing to remove the front part, maybe to replace the bulbs. I will check if it is this or not. I guess it is using imperial screws. So let me try to find the matching wrench. Yes, oh, I was lucky this time. The first one I tried is a good one. 4 little Allen screws. And yes, in fact we have a glass here which is glued in place in this thing. I will zoom a little bit. We have a middle light diffuser which is kind of broken, and here we just have the bulbs, which probably can be replaced by pulling on them. And also now I have access to the tip of a needle, so I could eventually try to repair the missing piece, but I have nothing matching in shape, size and color so far. The missing piece does not seem to be inside the instrument. And I did just notice here we have an unpopulated slot for a bulb. Okay, so it is all for this thing. A little bit disappointing, sadly. Nothing in the top cover. Just very basic parts, and in fact they could have made the box shorter. For instance, you could have put this resistor here, or even here behind the dial, and cut the box at this level. But I guess the length is a standard in cockpits. It is why they did do this. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye bye.